Even today, majority of Hindus don't know why do temples have bell, why Hindus worship people tree, and why Hindus do Surya Namaskara. Not just this, but also there are many things in Hindu Dharma which has scientific reason behind each and everything Hindu follows. But many Hindus have been misguided as wrong beliefs because of no proper knowledge. For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you top 5 scientific facts of Hinduism followed from thousands of years. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching video, if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for short and simplified videos every day. Let's begin our video from number 5, worshipping people tree. People tree is almost useless for any ordinary person except for its shadow. Yes, you heard it right. People tree does not have delicious fruit or its wood is not strong enough for any purpose. But we have seen so many temples have people tree where devotees are seen worshipping by walking around tree or doing pradakshina. And scientific reason behind this is people tree is one of very few trees which produces oxygen even at night, and our ancestors knew this thousands of years before. So to avoid cutting of people tree, our ancestors started to worship by marking people tree with tying threads and wrapping clothes. Next in list is number 4, temple bells. Whenever we go to temple, we see every devotee will ring bell before entering Garbhagudi, or we have seen ringing bells during time of Aarti. Even today, 90% of Hindus believe that ringing bell and asking a wish to God will come true. This is shocking, but it is true. According to science, temple bells are made in such a way that when they produce sound, it creates unity in left and right parts of our brain, which helps us to stay focused and keep our full concentration on our thoughts and thinking process. And as per Agama Shastra, temple bell is used to give sound for keeping negative thoughts away, where it produces sound which lasts for minimum 7 seconds in echo mode, where this duration of echo is good enough to activate all 7 healing centers in our body. And asking a wish after ringing bell will make your goal clear and focused, which will let your brain to find solution for your problems. Third in list is Surya Namaskara. We have seen many people praying sun while taking bath in river, and we have also seen people doing Namaskara to sun while doing exercise. But many people don't know proper reason for doing it. As per science, looking at sun rays through water or directly early in the morning is good for eyes, and also sun rays will give you vitamin D, which will keep skin problems away. And this is what Hindus are doing from thousands of years, where they do 12 asanas in Surya Namaskara early in the morning, where it burns approximately 13.9 calories, making your body more active and energetic for all day. And also it is proven that everyday routine of Surya Namaskara will not only keep you away from diseases, but also it improves your lifespan. Coming in number 2 is greeting with joining both palms together or Namaskara. We have seen many Hindus praying in temple by joining their both palms, and also we have seen our parents guiding us to greet people with joining both palms to show respect. But there are 2 scientific reasons behind greeting with joining both palms. First one is joining both hands in temple while praying ensures joining the tip of all fingers together, which improves pressure points of eyes, ears, mind, and make us remember more. And second reason is knowingly or unknowingly we touch many things with our hands, where it contains millions of germs and bacteria particles, making hands as one of dirtiest particles of our body. And as per Hindu text, physical contact with people directly without cleaning our hands will make us fall sick, and also hands are main reason where it carries virus and spread it to others when we do physical contacts. So from thousands of years, Hindus are avoided handshakes, where Hindus are practicing Namaskara or greeting someone by joining palms. And in number 1, sitting on floor while eating. Even today, many of our parents sit on floor and eat even after having dining tables in houses. And scientific reason behind this is sitting on floor while eating helps in improving digestion, as circular system can focus solely upon digestion. And also sitting with folded leg or cross leg position enhances blood circulation in our body, as it calms and releases tension in nervous system. So in Hinduism, sitting on floor in Sukhasana position is highly recommended for health benefits. Not just this, but also there are many such things in Hindu tradition which I am going to explain in coming video, and link will be given in description. And also don't forget to share this knowledge to all Hindus and tell that there is reason behind everything which is followed in Hinduism, and comment your views in comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.